Hey, what's up? Hi. On time, no speak, see, all the good stuff. Hiya. Hi. Okay, so I just got back from a Women's Day brunch feast. Most expensive brunch feast I've been to, especially since there was not one drop of alcohol that was had. It was just food and like 33% gratuities and taxes. The food was delicious though, gotta say that, but it was definitely overpriced. And I mean, they even charged me for coffee, so whatever. Won't do it again, but definitely liked the idea of commemorating International Women's Day. Yeah, it's been a while since I've spoken vis-a-vis of the camera. I guess I can do a bit of an update. You're kind of seeing a lot of like swimming footage over the last few weeks. It's because in January I decided that I wanted to become like a stronger swimmer because I know how to swim, but I could not confidently say that I would feel secure and safe if I was in open water without like a pool noodle or whatever have you. So I just wanted to improve that skill, and I think that's really important swimming is a really important skill to have. I used to dive when I was younger and, was able to swim distances. And for years, I just really haven't we all know what happened over the last 3 years. I just didn't really get into the pool. And so I've been taking classes at the Y. Been taking group classes at the Y. And let me tell you something. After 8 weeks of swimming with an instructor, I am a very strong swimmer. Like the techniques that we learned, how to breathe underwater, the humming, doing drills, deep diving, how to tread efficiently, different methods of treading water, all of this type of stuff. I signed up for another 13 weeks and decided to set the goal of becoming a certified lifeguard by the end of the year. That's my goal fitness-wise for the year. It's not even about so much the shape, but just endurance and strength. Health-wise, things are great. Work is good. I actually haven't spoken to the cameras for a very long time. Okay, so in 2022, I had my first show. I'm going to show some images here. I had my first drawing and painting show. Normally I exhibit photography work. That's kind of my forte. I have the opportunity to show some pieces, and those are the pieces that I showed. The response was great. I've just been working. I decided to keep only one of the 2 jobs that I had because working 2 full-time jobs is really rough. Rough. And one of them had a director that was not supportive. I had no OKRs to work against. There was nothing. I was just sort of thrown into the deep end. And I, did really well. I really liked the team that I was building. But after a few months, I was like, I can't continue to do this type of work without support. And with the other job, I had support. So I handed my notice and I said, no, done, thank you. There were certain issues that came up and I kind of addressed them really as politely as I could. All I'm going to say is never work with people who wipe the smile off of your face. No good can come from that. You don't have to be best friends with everybody. You don't have to have a great rapport with every single person that you work with. But definitely do not work with people who will consciously try to wipe the smile off of your face, who will pit team members against other team members. Also, somebody who doesn't work well with women, not gonna get anywhere with that. So, from the work front, things are good. They're solid. I already did a vlog about my trip to London. I bought a bunch of art supplies. Yeah, Invisaligns are getting better. I take them off when I talk to the camera because I just feel a little bit when I have them on. But they're going well as well. The pain part of it is over, or at least for now. Emotionally, things are great. Just feeling great about things. Just feeling like myself. So much closer to myself and my dreams and goals. I'm not even really on social media that much anymore just because I had to sort of take a break. Got off of TikTok because I just found it to be a really toxic environment, even though I was really screaming into my phone, art, artists, calm, peaceful. I didn't pick it up. They were sending me a bunch of crap. So I just thought, okay, let me go on a detox with everything. So at the beginning of the year, I did a water fast. I will do a more in-depth post on the blog about that because I think it's really important, but I digress. I did a water fast. I did like a social media fasting as well. And I just found that my brain was starting to work better, like just feeling more positive, more inspired. I was breaking out pencil crayons, sketching like a madwoman, like just going nuts, having fun, and focusing on more my artistic journey and making strides, making headway, making progress, and feeling like every day taking a little bit of like a little step towards improvement and having fun and enjoying myself. And I found myself to not be enjoying social media, just kind of slowly integrating all the social media platforms back in, but really like limiting my time on them because I just feel like they don't have my best interest at heart. Even if I'm trying to tell the algorithm what I want, it's like, no, this is what you want. It's like, I actually don't want that. I don't want to shop. I feel like I've out-shopped myself, and I am unfollowing people that just show me things that they bought and they're like, shop. I'm like, no. Got better things to do with my money. Like, I want to buy land. I want to buy a property in the future, not in Toronto, but like just in general. And so no, I don't want to shop. I don't want to spend $1,000 on a t-shirt or pants. So that's it. All good in the hood. Nothing crazy to report. Or maybe I'm forgetting some stuff because there's been so much that's been going on. So yeah, okay. Let's continue on with the vlog. Okay, I gotta go. Come with me. I am going to get some IV energy treatments. It's a totally yuppie Hollywood thing, but I'm gonna try it out. It's my first time. It's being offered to me. So yeah, let's go. Don't want to be late. I'm here to pick up my ritual order. Awesome, thank you. Oh, thanks. All right, have a good day. Okay, so I'm back. Went to like an IV therapy event, which was pretty cool because I made a consultation in advance where I let them know what my sort of health concerns are. Right now it's just hydration because this winter has been a hella dry and a hella awful on my body. Like, my body's just like, what's going on? Don't get it, don't understand. So I requested like a hydration therapy type of treatment, nothing anti-aging or whatever have you, because I don't care at this point. Just give me the water. Give me all the water. Even my lips, they're dry. It was super simple. We, like, everybody that was there, there was only about eight of us or so. We were scheduled for like a 2-hour session. Let me tell you something. Your girl was so dehydrated that my body absorbed that bag, that 1 liter bag, within an hour and 15 minutes. Like, the girl I was sitting next to, we were both like neck and neck with how quickly our bags were draining into our bodies. And we kind of laughed about it because it was like, yeah, we actually really needed this treatment. So I'm going to let a couple days sort of pass to actually see how I feel and if I feel any kind of difference or if I think the treatment, you know, contributed to anything positive or negative. So I'll get back on that. Can you see a difference? 2 days. 2 days after. There's a difference, no? My face is less puffy, everything. Look. Jawline is back. So in that footage, I had just got my period. I was super, super, super exhausted. I had maybe my period for maybe a day. A hell of a period. Like no sleep, no nothing. Feeling so just drained. Did this treatment. This is me 2 days later. 2 days later. It's Monday right now. And I had this treatment on Saturday. Your bitch was dehydrated. I was dehydrated. Highly recommend. Definitely would do this again. Yeah, you can see. It's like, I know I need to drink more water, but this is beyond just drinking more water. You can see how all the Hollywood ladies do this. They're just drinking their food and getting IV vitamins. Yeah, I had like a little mini beauty haul. I'm not a beauty blogger by any chance. But they're just sort of things that, because I'm a freckly person, I have freckles and moles, and skin cancer is real. Black people can get skin cancer, and I just don't want to take that risk. So did that. Also, you saw how extra Byredo was with their packaging and with their... I ordered like a sampler set because when I was in London, I went into the Byredo store and was given a sample of Eyes Closed, which I loved, but I went through. But I also wanted to smell other scents, just not in the store because it's very heavily perfumed in the store, so it was really hard to get a grasp of what scent might suit me. So I, ordered the sampler, and you saw how it came. It's super cute. We'll see. I gotta find, just a little change up with beauty and like skin stuff and just wanting to feel a little more, I don't know, fresh. That word is so inappropriate. More spring. That's been it this week. It's been a quiet week. Booked a trip for next month. Maybe I'll vlog then. I don't know. But yeah, anyhow. Peace out. I gotta go.